Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find your Discord password. So there is no direct method to reveal your password on your Discord account. As you can see that I am on the Discord website. So here when I go to my user settings and then I go to my account, you will see no option to reveal your password, but you can change your password. So I will show you a trick by which you can see your Discord password. For that you need to open up a new tab and then you need to go to your Google account settings by clicking on your profile and then click on manage your Google account. And from here you need to search for password manager, and here you need to search for Discord. As you can see that this is appearing, you need to click on discord.com and it will require a verification. You need to enter your Google password, and after signing in you will see that you are able to see your password by clicking on this eye icon. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.